What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're finally going to install the part that I said that I wanted to give a little bit more visibility to the cross beam, the lower class garage front crossbar that goes into the front of the car right there. So what are we going to attack to give us a little bit more visibility? Of course, it's going to be the grill. So how I went with this grill, now that's more of a JDM CS style grill and I like it, but this time I decided to do something a little bit different. No, I did not go carbon fiber. No. I went paint match with this one. So I looked it up on JDM Muscle. They had exactly what I wanted and what I needed, and that's what I got. So let me go, you guys, let's go ahead and let's take a look at it. All right, y'all, so here we go. This is everything that came in the box. It's the grill itself. Got me a license plate and a sticker, and we know what we're gonna do with that sticker. It's going on the toolbox. And it also comes with some mounting screws. So as you can see here, it is paint matched the same color as the car, which is kind of what I really wanted to do. So let's go over here to the car real quick and let's look at it. It's a pretty good match. I mean, it's really good, actually. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but yep, it's exactly the same. I know depending on how the light hits it, seems like it's a little bit brighter, but it's not. It's perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing, step over. We're gonna get this thing put on the bumper. As you can see, it's got all the screws right there. I don't really think I'm gonna put anything on the front right here. Nothing that I can think of. Just, you know what? There is something I want to put on here. Let me go ahead and grab that real quick. As I had the WRX sign and I got one, and that's it right here. So I'm probably gonna put this back on there. So I got to figure out exactly how I want to put it on there. But I did already plastic dip and paint this thing a different color, basically gray. So it's slightly different. So hopefully it pops. So we'll see. So we do want to put that on to this thing. But first thing I want to do is I want to see how it looks. But I'm gonna get this thing installed. So this video is not gonna be more like a how-to because I've already done. It's pretty much the same process as I did before. So what I will do is link I'll link that video in the top right corner. If y'all want to look at that and see exactly how to do it step-by-step on that video, you can do that. But on this one, we just gonna put you on a time lapse, and then I'm gonna get this thing installed on here. So let's get it in, baby. All right, so this one, that one, it's a little tricky getting this off of there because you got to bend it just right and you got to pry this up so it doesn't break it. But when you're doing that, trying to get this one off right here, the other ones pop back in. So I was wrestling with that as y'all saw in that little time lapse. But let's go ahead and let's put this thing on there. So now this one is going to install way different, just for the simple fact that that other one. And matter of fact, okay, so now looking at this one, so this is the one that came off of the car. As you can see, it's more closer to stock, but it has a little bit more of an opening as far as for vents. And you remember the main reason why I got this thing was just so that the compressive tuning shroud would be able to get more air in here without being blocked off. So this is gonna give me even more air, but seeing as though how different. I can't, what the heck is going on? Seeing how different, I can't say this word for some reason. Seeing as though both of these are different in how they're made up is, see, there's not much of a lip on there. It's a small one, but on this one right here, it's a deeper lip in there. So it installs a little bit different. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to use that little bracket that I took off of there, but let me see. I'm gonna try and put it back on there, but for the most part, it came with these supply screws. So I'm assuming these are gonna go right into here as far as to where they're gonna bolt in at. So let me go ahead and snap this thing on from the front, and then we'll get around to the back and see how exactly this is gonna fit on there. Wish I can get you up just to say And there it is, man. I really like how that looks. It bulges out a little bit more, and that little lip just sets it off, man. Look at that. And the color match is perfect. Look at that. Sits in flush right up here. Then it's got like a little bulge out down here. That looks good, man. I like it. But with that, I should be able to see more of the grill. Well, not the grill. See more of the cross beam here. Or the chassis brace. Let's say chassis brace. That's what it is. It is a chassis brace. But it's a cross beam too. But anyway, now, only thing we need to figure out now is where we're gonna put that WRX symbol. So I don't know here. All right, y'all. I kind of eyeballed that and it wound up being perfect too. So like a foot on each side. But I'm thinking either in the middle right there or maybe down here in the corner on the side. I don't know what y'all think, man. There. All right, let me put it, matter of fact, let me put it down there real quick. I don't know, man. I don't know which one I like, dude. Let me put it on this side. Maybe on the side, not directly in the middle. Or maybe directly in the middle. All right, y'all. Oh, so there we go. So now, it looks good, man. I tell you, boy, that color, that match, it's like perfect, man. This thing is nice. And look at that, boy. You can really see the chassis brace. Now, for y'all, for this, I'm gonna wait for y'all to let me know what y'all think. So now this is with it in the middle, the WRX symbol, right? So I'm gonna take that out of there. This is what it looks like without. And then this is what we're looking like with it on the side. So I don't know, y'all let me know what you think. Should I go with it in the middle, right here on the side, or not at all? So y'all let me know, man. I'll wait to hear some feedback from y'all. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think, man. Should I go with the emblem or without it? And if I do go with it, should I put it in the middle or should I put it on the side? So y'all let me know. And thank you in advance for your help on figuring that out, because so I don't know, I'd rather I'm gonna trust y'all's judgment on this one, man. I'm testing y'all out right now. I'm testing y'all. So let me know what y'all think. And there we go. That wraps up another one. Not too bad of an install, but I got to be honest with y'all about something, man. Taking the bumper off is super easy. Putting it back on is a pain, dude. Freaking sucks. Because you always, I think it could be because of my skid plate and all of that stuff, but trying to line up everything to make sure it fits underneath the headlight and it fits the same on both sides, that is hard, man. You got to go back and forth, take it off, back on, take it off, back on. Taking it off easy. Putting it back on is a nightmare, but you got to do what you got to do. But like I said, it's not that bad of an install. It looks really good on the car, man. So I'll link it in the description where I got it from exactly. That way then you guys can have access to it if you guys want to buy it or if you guys want to try it out. As far as for the other thing with the emblem, y'all let me know, man. What position, if you want me to go, if I should go with it or not. Putting the WRX emblem back on there, if I should put it in the middle or on the side, or should I go without it? So y'all let me know, man. I'm gonna trust y'all's judgment on that, man. So y'all let me know what you think, man. Throw it in the comments and let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. So like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Make sure you hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, peace.